The Kananka Para Ulta Charabru resettlement camp under Gondatisa block resonated with hope and renewed confidence as residents gathered to celebrate the 6th anniversary of the landmark quadripartite agreement. The event marked the successful transition of the Bru community from decades of displacements to permanent settlement. The celebration highlighted the socio-economic progress achieved since the signing of the historic pact between the Government of India, the state governments of Tripura and Mizoram, and Bru representative organizations. Tribal Welfare Minister Bikas Debarma, who attended the program as the chief guest, emphasized the radical shift in the quality of life for the Bru people.
Central government, Tripura government, Mizoram government, Bru representative. Abo bosiduk makamuwa. Ini chungno nangkru chuba ke phenai chin logewo Norway hugra chin tribal welfare minister because jisu phayo ke din logewo no chin MDC tongo ke ayo grawo tongo Potiram Tripura district ni hugra ke dini bro chung sani nei moke Tripura wo breke ching tong phimai skangwo chungro phai ma tongmole kriye khai phain rosi ke chungno kri khai ye chungboro Msau huye ma tungmono na ye khatung sunu e maya khepinai kesbo tini matro BJP sarkar se noka bosi kolphe tham ching bungbaye banai krui chinai krui ringnai krui jai khenai krui khonge tungmoni loge wo are kesan sia khonge tungponi somoyo jokhon central lobu BJP ha Tripura phona BJP phaike brau chungno na ye maya ha khatung sunu ha ke tinio bo somoi chungmai thamole bosi kholphe thamnia go January noka sakholwo New Delhi wo chung agreement kembosi ke ang asa kewo bo media lai phariye jotono ang kokchai chungmole bodoi kiye chungmai mole sudu sok ke haniya hani hamane be jati hamane jotto ni bo panda ham panda ongbo se chino mayang mono chungphono tre maya pheronai chuno mayang nei no pha chungphono bong loge tungnai Brau chuno joto yauri modino chungphono yau pheronai ongbo ye ang khakhambe ke sawo ke boro jila ta 13 location tungu North district o tungu ke Dolai district o tungu ke South Tripura tungu Gomoti tungu ke bo khui phie pho tau zora wo tre sasu bisni birmi mane mai sing pe ya khona tungko areng pho bro no pon asa kewo central sarkar na khakchang ya phayo Tripura sarkar na pon khakchang ya phayo ke chini Modi ke Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji ke skangwachini former CM Biplop ji bunabo khakchang ya phayo ke tawa chini CM present khonge tonai kabon loges sarkar je kam tangneraw revenue department abde kiye DM SDM pa la singkhawe block level of taw zoran zai ke tongo chini mai thaimano zai khewo chini mai thaimano pobro chi ye taw zora pone ke bole bosi do masko te bosi ke chungping thanai arme ang kha kambe kheno joto ni chini lap su phaine he ang masawo ke bo lable chini Bru jati ni bo no ke Bru jati tho yaman Tripura je tongnai chu tung sonai bai chungbai mile no Africa se
Pure Report, Chini Khorang.